field 1. Got cabbage, red onions. Something's eating them. Lots of cabbage, green cabbage. This is where all the garlic is. It's kind of getting overgrown. Scapes are starting to come. These things right here, the flower structure. Those are the manure piles. We got snow peas and snap peas on the trellis. Swiss chard, lots of yellow onions here. Carrots, romaine, this is kale, broccoli, and more green cabbage. Some red cabbage. Down on this end, we got some romaine, radishes, beets, turnips, bunching onions. Right there, that's where we direct sowed green and yellow beans. Our tomato, pepper, eggplant, Brussels sprout, watermelon, and cantaloupe field. I think that's everything. There's some watermelon. So we got most things under row cover. You can see, oh, there's cucumbers down here too, right in there. Some more kale down here too. Oh, we got summer squash under there. Quite a bit of summer squash under there. This is our pumpkin, gourd, winter squash field. Direct sowed everything, hilled the soil, put some horse manure over the seeds. We got 8 rows down here, probably at least 100 foot, maybe 150 foot. Nothing's germinating yet. We got 3/10 of an inch of rain last night. Hoping we're trying to not rely on irrigation down here. It's too far from our well. So this is spaghetti squash in this row. We sowed this field with seed 3 days ago now. So we're hoping to see some germination within the next couple days. is where we have our spinach bed. So we've been harvesting that recently. And this is our greenhouse. It's got the rest of our transplants in there. Peppers, watermelon, still to go in the ground. Some flowers, basil, a few other things, cantaloupe that we still have left to plant, and other stuff that we're gonna do succession plantings of, like lettuce and beets and other stuff. So that's about it for the farm. And this is where we had the store last year. It was in there. Now this year we kind of moved over to here into this building.